Hey friends, Scott Smith with the Smithy McKell Williams. Welcome to our new listing at 3308 Nathaniel Court in Vadnais Heights. This house is located in John Mitchell Preserve. It's a fantastic neighborhood, centrally located, wonderful cul-de-sac location. Let's go take a look inside. One of the best features of this home is the two-story great room, the fireplace and the floor-to-ceiling windows overlooking the real private backyard. You've got mature pine trees and plenty of space to hang out, play with the kids. Also a fantastic deck. You'll really enjoy this space. Another outstanding feature of this home is the recently updated kitchen with custom countertops, quartz appliances, and stainless steel appliances throughout. Another cool feature that you'll find with this home is the upstairs. We've got 3 bedrooms, the primary suite, and a loft that overlooks the great room. The lower level space is fantastic for entertaining. You've got a great home theater and a game space. Thanks for joining me on the video tour of 3308 Nathaniel Court. This awesome Pratt home is as great in video as it is in person. We'd love to have you join us for an in-person tour. Certainly reach out to us, 651-777-3434, or connect with us online. Thanks.